Yeah, what's up YouTube? Y1K Youngin back, and we are chilling. We are chilling, man. I'm about to go to my bro's house, but yeah, today was just gonna be like a goodbye vlog. Sadly, this bike is gonna get picked up. Today was Saturday, so yeah, this bike's gonna be picked up Monday for I guess insurance purposes wise, and I guess I'll be getting another bike, you know what I'm saying? This is a 2021, by the way, Honda CBR1000RR-R skis. What the, oh, what's that? What's that? But yeah, this bike is getting picked up Monday. Sorry, you guys. This will be off the channel, and I will soon be getting another bike. Y'all just stay tuned and just stay, you know, stay aware of everything. You know what I'm saying? Just, you know, keep me updated and. In the comments, just let me know what y'all want to see next on the channel. You know what I'm saying? I know this wasn't a long process with this bike, but I mean, I know some of you guys were kind of locked in and consistently on, like, you know, checking in and letting me know of new things and everything like that. So yeah, yeah, just I don't know, but we're finna get some little ride in, and my GoPro is about to fall off my helmet. So, and it's really, you might see my GoPro fall off my helmet. It's how you can, but. It don't matter, you know what I'm saying? Just like have fun. Let's see if I can whip it. You think I can whip it through this parking lot here? Whip it, whip it, whip. Whip it, whip it, whip it, whip it, whip it, whip it, whip it. Yeah, Sirski. Yeah. Sirskis. Searchies. Let's see if I can make it. Let's see. I can make it. I can make it. It's dirt right here, so I don't want to get too comfortable. Well, let's get it. 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 How about the rape? Let's get it. Yes, sir, skis. We finna get lit today, y'all. What's going on up here? Finesse. Let's finesse. Let's get it. 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 Woo! Shit. What y'all doing? What you doing? What you doing, what you doing, what you doing, mister? What you doing, what you doing, what you doing, mister? But yeah, what's up, YouTube? Y1K Youngin back at it again. Let me go down so I can give y'all a little intro. Well, yeah, you know, the Youngin is back in business, you feel me? And I'm just excited and blessed to be right here, you know what I'm saying? But we finna finesse real quick again. Yeah. Big bump. Let me get on my app so I can pull up on my brosies. You feel me? You feel me, skis? Let's see real quick. My bro. Let's see how we finna do this. This car better slow down behind me before I get on the ass. Yeah, so skis. Sirskis. surf skis. Surf ski. Aye. What are they stopping for? They want to stop. They want to stiz up. You feel me? They want to stop. These cars want to come up all fast on me. Yeah, surf skis. Yeah, yeah. The big pound wano. The big pound town wano. Oh, the big pound town wano. The big. Let's get it. Hope this thing don't fall off, man. Come on, man. Come on, GoPro. Work with me today, bro. Work with me today, bro. Don't fall off, bro. Ah, my GoPro falling off, y'all. I gotta hold this little sucker just to get y'all some content today. Y'all will thank me later. Yes, sir, ski. Yes, sir, ski. Yes, sir, skis. My GoPro about to fall off. What up, boy? GoPro. What up, man?
Yeah, I just got this like 3 days ago.
Oh, okay. Oh, that thing's nice, man.
Yeah, I always rode Harleys until I got this. It's my first sport bike.
What year is that?
08.
Oh, wait. That's super clean. Where you going?
The Walmart on River for St. James.
Okay. You kill it, man. You mind putting this in my bag for me?
Yeah, man.
All right, man. Turn this off.